how are your relationships like?
With?
Like, I mean, with men, that's what
Yeah.
I was going at. Like, in terms of dating, is it
Yeah, start तो बड़ा अच्छा होता है. I think somewhere in the middle it gets
fucked up?
weird. I don't know किस नोट पे वो स्टार्ट हुआ, किस एनर्जी से वो स्टार्ट हुआ, कौन सी एनर्जी पे पहुंच गया. बट आई ऑलवेज फेल्ट लाइक इन द मिडल समवेयर आई गेट रियली लॉस्ट.
You get lost.
Maybe because I get lost is why the relationship also gets lost, and I'm
Okay.
just taking it all on me right now because it's very easy to kind of blame the other person कि यार उसने ये नहीं किया, उसने वो नहीं किया, but more often than not we don't even realize what we want out of this relationship, or where are we heading, or are we in a zone where we are expecting which we probably didn't earlier. Like I think everybody should start reflecting on if their relationships are not working first on themselves.
I think there is a trouble
Yeah.
with over reflecting on yourselves as well, where you do not place blame often enough. Like I've been that kind. मेरे को because मैं हमेशा अपनी गलती समझता हूँ, and I think the source of who I've come to become is also that. क्योंकि मेरी गलती है, मेरे को fix करना है, मेरे को ठीक करना है, and then I go about fixing it. But eventually you're like कुछ तो गलती साले सामने वाले की भी है.
Definitely,
हाँ.
होगी. But I think let's put it this way that because of those relationships, how I know myself now, and now when I get into one, I would at least know where I am coming from and what I expect from this, rather than just getting into it blindly or like aimlessly. And
Right.
I know that with relationships you can't really have objectives, but at least like a structure around it. So you can't I mean I just can't enter into something if I don't like, if I don't know the things that I really like. Like I've been in relationships where I have just easily gotten influenced by the other person, not understanding कि मुझे क्या पसंद है और मुझे क्या नहीं पसंद है, or this is what I want or this is what I don't want. And by saying that, of course it's not like 10 on 10, कोई तो 10 on 10 हो नहीं सकता. तो आपको 10 में से किसी की 4 चीज़ों के साथ या 5 चीज़ों के साथ
Compromise करना
पड़ेगा या 5 चीज़ें आपको पसंद आएंगी. बट फॉर दैट यू शुड नो कि आप क्या हो, लाइक व्हाट आर यू, हाउ what are the things that you like, what are the things that you want from this relationship. So I think that's what I have understood on my personal journey. And why I'm saying it's easy to blame, because maybe you are that person who starts reflecting upon कि मैंने ये गलत किया मैंने, but most often people don't. It's the people that I've heard, वो सबसे पहली चीज़ यही होती है कि यार उसने ये किया, उसने ये किया, उसने ये किया.
Agree.
बहुत बाद में अगर आप कॉन्वर्सेशन में ये किसी को बोलोगे, अच्छा बट यू नो व्हाट डिड यू डू,
हाँ, what is your wrong?
फिर वो शायद उस पर आ जाए कि हाँ मैंने
थोड़ी
भी किया
बहुत,
था. बट द फर्स्ट इंस्टिंक्ट, एंड दैट्स ऑलवेज ट्रू, बिकॉज इफ यू आर टेलिंग योर स्टोरी, योर रिलेशनशिप स्टोरी टू योर फ्रेंड फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आप कितनी भी कोशिश कर लो, आप 80% अपनी ही साइड बताओगे. इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट एंड इट्स अग्रीड, क्योंकि वो हम अगर मैं अपनी स्टोरी बता रही हूँ तो 80% मेरी ही साइड आएगी ना. तो इसीलिए फॉर दैट थर्ड पर्सन, इफ ही डजंट और शी डजंट नो बोथ ऑफ यू, इट्स ऑलवेज अ वन साइडेड स्टोरी. So I think maybe that's why I was saying that it's very important that you reflect upon yourself,
Right.
and then take into consideration the other things.
Are you in a relationship right now?
No.
Okay, good. Now we can have a
Very
conversation.
single.
Now we can have a conversation. My guess is, I may be wrong, I feel like in relationships you're the more submissive one, not the more dominant
Me?
one.
Yeah.
Right, you follow.
Yeah.
You don't lead.
Yeah.
You're not like, that's not your vibe.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
You're like, what do you want to have for dinner?
अरे इतना submissive तो initially that person becomes the world for me. This is
Damn,
also very.
that's a bad idea.
That's a bad idea.
Why
because
would you
know.
do that? हाँ.
पता नहीं यार, पता नहीं, मतलब
What are your
so
relationship?
much so that if you call it a day, I'll call it a day. If you call it a night, I'll call it a night. ऐसा था मेरा. And I think maybe that's why I'm also saying कि now I understand myself more. So maybe now it'll be a equal relationship. It won't be like somebody's dominating, somebody's submissive. It'll be an understanding.
I feel like you're referring to something that happened recently.
Not recently, like 2 years back.
2 years back.
Yeah.
And since then you've been like, अब मैं खुद को पहले समझ लेती हूँ.
हाँ, और एक्चुअली वो रिलेशनशिप को, जिसको रिलेशनशिप बोल भी नहीं सकते, क्योंकि वो जो अनऑफिशियल रिलेशनशिप्स होती है ना, जिसको आप
जो आपके सिर्फ फोन पे होती है.
नहीं, फोन पे तो होती है, वैसे भी होती है, लेकिन
हाँ.
बस आप गर्लफ्रेंड बॉयफ्रेंड नहीं बुला सकते एक दूसरे को.
वो ना चूतिया काटने की टेक्निक होती है.
I agree.
लड़के we are very smart like this. Whenever a guy is saying, listen, we are not girlfriend boyfriend, but we are kind of together.
Yeah.
It's a guy going for best of both worlds,
Yeah.
where he gets the intimacy as well as
Yeah.
the emotional support, but he
तो वो
doesn't have to
लड़कियां भी
commit.
बेवकूफ़ होती हैं ना, जैसे मैं थी. मतलब कि हालांकि मैंने भी कूल बनने के चक्कर में ये तो बोला ही था कि हाँ रिलेशनशिप नहीं चाहिए, और शायद मेरे दिमाग में भी होगा कि देखी जाएगी कहाँ जाती है. बट व्हेन आई वांटेड इट एंड व्हेन द अदर पर्सन वाज ऑब्वियसली सेइंग कि एंड आई ऑल्सो अंडरस्टैंड कि अगर वो कुछ बोल रहे हैं तो बोथ पीपल इन अ रिलेशनशिप एट दैट पर्टिकुलर टाइम डू द बेस्ट दे नो.
Yeah.
है ना. तो आप किसी को ब्लेम नहीं कर सकते. हो सकता है दैट पर्सन ऑल्सो वॉज इन टू माइंड्स एंड विच इज़ ओके बिकॉज आई कैन ऑल्सो बी दैट पर्सन. बट टुडे आई नो दैट आई वॉन्ट टू बी इन अ रिलेशनशिप एंड आई वॉन्ट टू call it, like I want to name it, because otherwise it just feels like, again you're saying वो चूतिया बनाने की
हाँ. वो मैंने गाली दे दी. Shit.
साड़ी के साथ जा नहीं रहा ना.
कॉलेज फेयरवेल वाइब्स. मैं पता क्या सोच रहा था. मैं ना with my female friends I often tell them, I'm like, you don't know what a good guy looks like, and so your expectations are so. आ गया क्या? Get it. मेरे लिए decaf ही मंगाया. अच्छा.
मेरी तो इतनी
जान
ब्यूटीफुल
ले ले
लग
मेरी.
रही है ड्रिंक. ये ले जा सकते हैं आप.
हाँ.
Yeah.
Thank you. Your drink looks, it goes with your
Very
sari.
nice. It goes with
your
my sari.
I feel like girls have no idea what good guys look like, and then what really happens is their expectations are so off the handle कि उन्हें इतना सा भी लड़के भाव देते हैं ना, उनका दिमाग खराब हो जाता है.
I think लड़कियां also get attracted to broken men.
क्योंकि फिक्स करने की इंस्टिंक्ट
हाँ.
है. तेरे को कैसे
क्योंकि
fix-
नर्चर हमारी आई थिंक विमेन आर नर्चरर्स इन अ वे. सो कहीं तो वहीं से आया होगा. बट मुझे तो मेरे बहुत फ्रेंड्स ने बोला कि यू नो यू एंड इट्स नॉट ओनली मी, लाइक इट्स अ वेरी जनरल थिंग दैट इनिशियली, बिकॉज एक तो ड्रामा से you get attracted
100%.
and that you want to fix something in that person, that's why you get attracted.
Right.
But that really fucks you up in the years to come, because आप नहीं कर सकते.
नहीं.
आप सिर्फ खुद को फिक्स कर सकते हो.
वो भी शायद.
क्योंकि उसमें बहुत टाइम निकल जाता है, बहुत साल चले जाते हैं.
हाँ.
और ये आपकी जर्नी है, आप उसकी जर्नी नहीं जी सकते हो. सो टिल द टाइम दैट पर्सन इज इंटरेस्टेड इन फिक्सिंग हिमसेल्फ,
Right.
you can't do it.
Agreed.
So I have realized it, and how now.
You almost said how. Was it a painful journey?
Very.
Like
Very
many
big.
months of
This is the
crying?
first time I'm speaking about it,
Uh-huh.
like on camera. It was a very painful journey. Though I really, and it's no one to blame there. Really, no one to blame, because I've really gotten inside me and understood कि यार ये मुझे नहीं करना है. क्योंकि his journey is not my journey. Everybody is here on an individual journey. और वो खुद को फिक्स ही करे, मैं उसको फिक्स नहीं कर सकती. तो मैं ये थॉट लेके कि अरे नहीं यार मैं तो फिक्स कर दूंगी इसको.
नहीं मैं I always think you should look for waves in your professional or your outside life. Your home should be a very stable place.
Yeah.
Like you should return there and there should be no drama.
Yeah.
I want zero. Some fights are going to happen and some
Yeah.
fights in fact are very appreciable also कि चल ठीक है थोड़ी लड़ाई हो गई. We've done our little bit of drama. Now we are putting this aside. But to demand an active problem that has to be solved inside your relationship
Yeah.
is a recipe for failure.
Yeah.
It's a recipe for failure.
Yeah.
I don't want to fix no one.
Yeah.
Best of luck fixing yourself.
And that really takes a lot of time and effort. So anybody wanting to fix the other person or their boyfriends or their girlfriends, please fix yourself.
And think about this now. Suppose you and I are in a relationship and I realize ki she wants to fix me. Now I have incentive to remain broken.
Yeah.
So I will never fix myself.
Yeah.
I will latch on to you because that ensures that you will hang around me.
And you'll keep telling me that, okay, you know what, I'm really broken, I'm really fucked up, and I'm really this. You'll keep saying it because you believe it.
Yeah. And this is like one of the easiest ways in which both of us can remain in our bubbles where you feel like you're trying to fix me
Yeah.
and I feel like, and it's just never going to happen. You want a healthy relationship.
Yeah.
Right. Right.
And also mixed signals is like,
Is the key, guys. Listen, always give mixed signals to women. That's how you make it work. Always hot
No.
and cold, push and pull. Never sure if it's a compliment or an insult, and she doesn't know what to do from there. Guys, अगर ये सुन के आपको भी लगा वाओ, मैं भी ऐसे सोचना चाहता हूँ, मैं सीखना चाहता हूँ ऐसे कैसे सोचते हैं, तो क्या करना है? सब्सक्राइब का बटन, सब्सक्राइब.